Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create AI comic using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you to create any AI content faster. Like you can create AI talking photos, avatar videos, product showcase, product photos, and then AI videos, marketing videos, and then many more. And if you want to try these tools, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pinned comment to access this tool. And then next to create AI comics, first just open your Pippit AI like this. You will see the homepage like this. And then next just go to Image Studio and then go to AI designs. And then in here just describe about your comic that you want to create, like about the detail for the scenes, and then describe about the layout, and then the styles and many more. Just describe it over here. For example, before I already prepare a prompt like this, you can just copy my prompt like this, like a vibrant multiple panel comic strip in both comic book art styles and many more. You can just copy my prompt template like this, and then you can just edit it as you like. And then after that, uh, just choose your AI model that you want to use. In here, I want to choose C3M, and then just choose your resolutions, and then you can adjust the size. And once everything is ready, just simply tap on submit. And okay, like this, you will get the comic strips like this. And I think it looks cool, even it has any typo over the result, but I think the result still good enough. And then next you can just try it to create your own comic. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.